Good morning, guys. Good morning. Whew, I am so tired, y'all. It is 6:30 in the morning. I've been up since 6:15. I'm just doing some under eye patches, if you guys can see that. Getting ready to make myself some tea and hit the gym. So today's vlog is just gonna be, you know, a day in my life. I still have my robe on, y'all, sorry. It's just gonna be like a day in my life. I'm just gonna run some errands. I picked up this rug yesterday and the rug was too small for the area. I knew it was gonna be too small, but I'm like, let me just try it anyway. And you know, I knew that I could still bring the rug back if it didn't work, so it didn't work. I'm too ashamed to even show y'all. The rug was so small in my living room. It was full. So I'm gonna take that rug back today and a few other things that I bought that I didn't really like. But I did buy these really pretty bowls. Let me show y'all. Well, I bought these glasses. I bought a set of 2. And these are black. They're so cute. They sell some like this at CB2, and then it's another place, I think it's called Firm, and they sell these. And I think on Firm they're 2 for $30 or something like that, and I paid I think these were like $5.99 or something like that at home. And then let me show y'all the bowl. I love the bowls, they're so pretty. Here's the bowls. I showed them yesterday on my Instagram, but these are the bowls. So pretty. So I bought a set of these, and these were $7.99 each. So you guys know that little piece that I showed you that I picked up from Homegoods. I actually found a link for that. I'll try to have it in the description box, or if you guys click my like to know it link, and it's on my like to know it account. But I posted it on my Instagram last night, so hopefully it's still available, because they only had, I think they had like 18 left or something like that. So y'all have to follow me on Instagram, I'm telling you, because everybody on Instagram, they see everything first. IAMSHERIKAB, follow your girl. So let me get myself together, hit the gym, and we'll get today's vlog started. Okay, y'all, so I just made it home from the gym. I am super tired, but that was a really good workout. I missed 2 days. I didn't go to the gym Sunday or yesterday, so I got it in today. But while I was in the gym, I got a email from H&M, because last night I ordered something from H&M Homes. Shout out to my boo Craig. There's this vase that we both had our eyes on, and every time we go on there, it was sold out. So he ordered it last night and told me that they had it available. So I went on there and ordered it, and I paid $23 extra for the 2 to 3 day shipping. And then I received an email saying that it was delayed. So I need to call them and ask them what's the hold up, because I did pay extra to get it here. So yeah, I'm gonna need them $23 back. So I'm getting ready to clean myself up, and then we're heading out to at home to take back the rug. And I bought this little stand. I'm gonna take that back because it's a little too big for my countertops. So I'm gonna take that back, and I found one on Amazon, so I'll just probably order that. But yeah, I'm out of breath. I need to take a shower. Okay, y'all, so I'm dressed. I have on this really pretty little sweater. It just like knots up in the front and opens at the bottom with these like beige tights. Really cute. And so let me let a little bit of light in here. So I have to run a few errands. I need to go to At Home to return the rug. I told y'all about that. I'm gonna stop at Homegoods really quick, and then I have to stop by my parents' house because Kalila wants to return those big fluffy pillows that she got last weekend because she doesn't like the way that they fit on her bed. So I have to stop by my parents' house to pick those pillows up, and then we'll go to Homegoods after that, so she can either exchange the pillows or get a refund or whatever. So I am in love with this sweater, y'all. I got this sweater from Forever 21. It's really cute. I'll try to have the link in the description box. These earrings are also from Forever 21. I'll try to link those as well. So I'll see y'all when I get back. Okay, so we just got back from Homegoods and I bought this little guy here. So I'm gonna see how this looks on my shelf. I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep it yet, but I really, really like it a lot. And this was $39.99. So I'm gonna play around with it on the shelf and see how I feel about it. And I'll make the decision on whether I'm gonna keep him or not, but I really like this. But this guy has to go back because he is too tall for the shelf. So let me just show y'all. Like, he can't fit up there at all. It doesn't fit and it doesn't look good on the top of the bookshelf. Let me just show y'all how it looks up here, because I know somebody's gonna say, try it on top of the bookshelf. I don't like the way that looks. Let me see. See, this is it. I don't like that. So, but I want to keep him. I want to keep this one. Oh, those of you that asked about Tyrone is thriving. He looks so good. A couple of new, I guess you would call those stems, opened up, but he looks real good. And y'all remember my last bougie plant girl, she died like the same week. So the plant looks very good. I am very proud of myself. I've been doing a phenomenal job keeping Tyrone alive. So if y'all need help with your green thumb, girl, hit me up. Yeah, Tyrone's doing very well. Thanks for asking. So I have to go back to Homegoods to take that guy back, but it's so cute. I could keep it because I do plan on getting a console table for the hallway, so I could keep it, but I don't know, y'all. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna step back so y'all can see my little outfit. But this is the outfit. So it's just like some tan pants and then this cute little sweater that just knots in the front like this. So cute. Really cute. So I'm in the house for the rest of the day. I might take that back either tomorrow or later on today, maybe. But right now I'm getting ready to fix some lunch. I think I'm gonna do like some salmon and salad. So of course I'll show you guys how that looks when I'm all done with that. All right, so I'm getting ready to make my little sister and I some salmon. So I like to pat dry it Well, that's something that I just started doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and pat dry. This is just a little small piece because she don't really like fish all that much. And then this is my piece. So what I'm gonna use is some Badia Saison Tropical. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Don't come for me. Slap Your Mama. Black pepper. Garlic powder. Some sea salt. And lemon pepper. I'm gonna season both sides. So we're gonna hit it with the lemon pepper first. Swap it over. Swap it over. And do a little bit of sea salt. We're gonna do the Slap Your Mama. And this is just like a Cajun seasoning. Both sides. And we're gonna do, did I do the pepper already? Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of pepper. On both sides. Flip her over. Then we're gonna do garlic powder. Over. Over. And then the Saison Tropical on both sides. And then I just dab over the cutting board to get some of the seasonings on the side of the salmon. And now they're ready. Okay, y'all, so while that's cooking, I'm gonna pour myself up a glass of wine. I'm not too sure if I told y'all Sunday. I know I showed y'all the bottle, but I have tried this before on my mukbang channel. One of my subscribers suggested this probably like a year ago, and I really like it. It's really sweet. You're not getting no buzz off this, sis, but it is really nice. So I'm gonna have a glass of this. So if you guys are at Walmart, pick you up a bottle. I think I paid maybe like 11 bucks for this, but it's really sweet. It's only 5% alcohol, so try this out, sis. It's good. Really sweet. Alright, y'all, so this is how I do my salad. I'm gonna try to get y'all as close as possible. I usually put it in one of my round Tupperware bowls, but I'm using it for something else right now. So what I like to do is, I love Caesar salad. If you guys are new to my channel, Caesar salad is my jam. So I just toss a few greens in the bowl. I'll put enough for Kalila, but I don't think she's gonna eat any. And then I take some minced garlic. This is how the minced garlic look. I only have a little bit, so I'm just gonna dump that right on top. And the reason why I like minced garlic in my Caesar salad is because I love J. Alexander Caesar salad, and I taste a little bit of garlic in their salad. So I just put the minced garlic in my Caesar salad, and it tastes really good. Okay, so that's what we're looking like so far. Then I take, hold on, I've been getting all these campaign calls. Okay, then I take some grated Parmesan cheese, and I just sprinkle that on. I usually do that at the end, but it's okay. I know y'all are like, you're a little close, sis. Okay, let me back y'all out. Okay, there. And then I take some regular shredded Parmesan cheese. Just a little bit, not too much. I also love cheese. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm a big cheese lover. Okay. And then just take your favorite creamy Caesar dressing. I use cans right here. Just gonna pour that on top. We're gonna shake it up. Oh wait, I gotta get my croutons, I forgot. Oh, I hope I have more croutons. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, I hope I have croutons. I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh, I think I used all of my croutons. Oh no. Okay, girl, we don't have croutons, okay? But you gotta have the croutons because the croutons is what set it off. But I don't have any. I'm looking for a top. Hold on, y'all, I'm coming. This top, I don't know if it, but yeah, this fits. All right. Then you just mix everything up. Don't forget to add your croutons. And there is your yummy Caesar salad. So I'm just gonna pair this with my salmon, and that's what I'm having for lunch. All right, y'all, here we go. Salad, Caesar salad, and salmon, little Moscato for the girls. Looks so good. Bye, y'all.